This is the robot cycle time and throughput estimator, which calculates how long robotic operations take and how many parts you can produce per hour. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your load time in seconds. This is how long it takes to load a part into the system. Next is unload time in seconds, the time to remove a finished part. Then add your process time in seconds, how long the actual operation takes. For motion times, enter your robot movement times as comma-separated values in seconds. Finally, there's a safety factor field with a default value of 1.1 to account for real-world variations. For this example, I'll enter 10 seconds for load time, 10 seconds for unload time, 10 seconds for process time, and 10 for motion times. I'll keep the safety factor at 1.1. After clicking Calculate Cycle Time, here are our results. Total motion time is 10.0 seconds. Total process time is 30 modwar seconds. Raw cycle time is 40 taudwar seconds. The adjusted cycle time, which includes our safety factor, is 44.0 seconds. This gives us 82 parts per hour and 1,312 parts per day based on a 16-hour operation. These metrics help you optimize your robotic cell design and estimate production capacity. Find the link in the description below. These metrics help you optimize your robotic cell design and estimate production capacity. Find the link in the description below.